Okay, this software can record your voice from microphone. It's very interesting. We have two ways for doing that. First, click on this plus and going to voiceover. When you click the voiceover, two things happen. It will be expand the control track, and it's one of the tracks. For example, in this tracks, it's actually click on this track. In one of these tracks, activate the record button and going to the any you can, for example, record your sound from here. Snap keyboard, you can change the indicator here. When you click on this record, it will counter will be appear here and start to recording. Click, the counter is going, and now we are recording our sound. In this part, this video has an audio, and we have an settings that we can set sound from each other. We have lots of interesting tools for sound. I explained that, but in this lesson I will just do how to record the sound. As you can see, it's red track will be happening here, and it's recording our sound that I'm talking now. When you want to stop, click on this button again, and as we can see, this is our sound that recorded. For example, from here, video has an audio, and we have an settings that we can. That's nice. Another way that you can record is, for example, activated here control tracks. For example, you want to record from here. Click activate this record icon here to change it to the red button. It means you are ready to record, and click again. The counter will be happen here, and now you can record your time after 3, 2, 1 counter, and now this red track shows you can record your sound. And this indicator here, you can specify your level of your sound. Dot screaming, do not screaming to red. As you can see, we have a red here. Specify our loudness of our recording here. Okay, stop it, and this is our sound here. You can click and drag. You can increase or decrease the length of your sound, put it anywhere in your timeline, just in these 3 tracks, because these are for sound and these are for videos. And that's it. It's very simple and easy. You can record your sound. It is very noiseless recording. It's nice and warm recording sound. But you can go into the sound. I explained that. You can noise reduction, echo reduction, and any interesting tools here. But one click you can reduce your noise or echo from or background noise from your recording voice. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.